Hi everybody, just a few quick words on the activities for this upcoming week of February 26th through March 4th. Some similar things and a few different things relative to what we've had in previous weeks. First of all, we're going to have another quiz on the chapter that was assigned. This will be like previous quizzes. Where you get one attempt, read the chapter ahead of time, and take the quiz. That's worth 10 points this week. Second activity is a little bit different than what we've been doing. I put them up here, but the IRB Belmont report quiz refers to both of these short videos that are available on YouTube. One is kind of a basic description of what the IRB is about, and then the other one is a video that I've used for a long time. I actually still have it on video cassette on the Belmont report, but I found it on YouTube, so it's very exciting. Doesn't make it look any more modern that it's on YouTube, but it's a well done video about the Belmont report. So what you'll need to do the IRB Belmont report quiz is to watch these two videos and take the quiz. Now, what I've done here for you is I'm giving you 40 minutes to take the quiz. This first video is about 3 minutes, and this other one I think is around 30 minutes. So I think literally you could take the quiz and watch the videos concurrently, and you should be able to get a good score on this quiz. Still just one attempt, but still the time frame is such that you can kind of do them at the same time. If you want, you can, if you choose to, you can watch the videos and then go eat lunch and then come back and take the quiz. That's up to you. This week we also have an IRB related activity and it's creating an informed consent document for your study. And what I've done is I've posted the New Mexico State IRB instructions and guidelines for creating informed consent statements, and this assignment just asks you to create the informed consent statement that you might use in your research proposal for this class. So I assume everyone is doing something with human subjects. So far it looks like everyone is, so there shouldn't be an issue there. If you are not doing something with human subjects, let me know right away so that we can arrange to make this a relevant activity for your project. But I think everyone is doing work with human subjects for the research proposal, so it should be okay. Lastly, is one final is another research article quiz. We've had one like this every week, and so there's a research article and a quiz associated with it. This research article is specifically related to research ethics, so it does tie in with the whole theme of this week of research ethics and the role of institutional review boards and protection of human subjects, those sorts of things. So that's what's going on this week. I'm hoping to get a preview or at least some idea of what the midterm exam is going to be like next week. My guess is right now that it will be probably a 4 or 5 short essay questions that span some general or topics across the material we've learned so far. But don't hold me to that yet. But I'll try to get some information out on that in the next few days, so at least we know what the exam will be like, even though I won't release the exam until next week. So I think that's about it for now. So I'm looking forward to looking at your thinking about your study first page that you did, the first 8 questions that you did on that, and getting you some feedback about where you're going with your research proposals. I also sent an announcement about it, but there are some comments on the Quiz 5, which where I try to identify some places where a lot of folks, not everyone, but a lot of folks seem to lose points on that quiz over a certain few questions, and they're kind of important questions. So if you get a chance, have a look at that video too. So, all right, I'm going to sign off for now, and have a good week.